Hello, I'm L Director. This is L Director Vision, and this is a unboxing, I guess. Another unboxing, new unboxing. Haven't done one in a while. First, though, got to show you guys this. Look what I got in the mail today. I got my new business cards. I decided it was finally time to start my own video production company. We're calling it Pyro Studios. So be sure to check that out. It's pretty cool. But the meat of the matter, the real reason why I'm here and why you are hopefully watching, is because with starting this production company, I realized that the one thing that I was missing is the ability to do aerial cinematography. So I took my tax return and I purchased the best drone for independent filmmakers, and that is the wow, it's a box within a box. That drone is the DJI Mavic 2 Zoom, not the Pro, the Zoom. For independent filmmakers, the Zoom is actually going to give you a more cinematic image than you'll get with the Pro. And I'm always finding that I have to explain myself with my camera purchases. I bought the Ursa Mini 4K, not the 4.6K. Why? Because I wanted that global shutter, and it yields a more cinematic look in that regard, especially with the action movies and that kind of stuff that I'm into doing. When it came to the drone, I know that the wide-angle 24mm fisheye that's common on most drones and that you would find on the Mavic 2 Pro is not cinematic. The sensor is cinematic. The way it responds to light, absolutely. Beautiful sensor, don't get me wrong. But the optics in front of it are not. And so that is why I bought the Zoom, and that's what I have here. So I bought a package that came with a whole bunch of stuff. You got like a launch pad and things right here. Got an extra battery, that's good. A couple other little miscellaneous things. What's in this? Ooh, we got lens cleaners, a blimp, that kind of a thing. That's all good to have. But the meat of the matter is this thing right here. So at Pyro Studios, our goal is to provide our clients cinematic video production and photography. We're not just your standard run-of-the-mill video production house, okay? We're not just going to sit there and shoot some stuff and call it good. Everything that we do is going to have a cinematic look, feel, and approach to it. And that is why we bought the Mavic 2 Zoom. And I am like really, really excited. I bought this January 31st. Today is February 5th. So I've been waiting 6 days for it to arrive. And it's been a long week, let me tell you. I haven't been this excited probably since I got my Ursa Mini. And before that, not since I bought my T2i back in 2010. So let's just go ahead and open this up real quick. Take a look at it here. There's plenty of other unboxing videos online, probably that are way better than this one is. So go watch those if you're wanting the nitty-gritty on what's involved with it. I just want to share my excitement and my first impressions opening this up. I've never flown a Mavic before. I have flown a Inspire. We had an Inspire 1 Pro at work for a while. My coworker also bought a Phantom 4 Pro, which I borrowed to shoot a lot of the drone work for my movie, Surviving the Wild. So I have used that. I do have some drone experience. Let's see here. This slides out. There we go. Looks like it needs a little cut right here. There it is. And then, oh, there we go. It opens up. It's real. It's actually here. Check this out, guys. This is the newest piece of tech in my arsenal. And I'm like, dude, this sucker is heavy. This has got some weight to it. I can't even believe that. That is wicked awesome. So for those of you guys that don't know, which is probably not many of you, most of you probably do know, this is the drone. We got the camera on the front. This bulb comes off. These arms fold out this way. And then these ones twist out from down here like that. And we put the propellers on, and you're good to go. We've got a battery, which mine is completely dead. And let's see, so that would pop out like that. There we go. Yeah, this bad boy has got some definite heft and weight to it. But that's going to be good. It's going to keep it stable up in the wind. And hopefully going to bring both my independent filmmaking through Stars Pictures and my video production company through Pyro Studios to a whole nother level. So that's all I wanted to do. Is I just want to share that with you guys. Like I said, I've got a bunch of other little accessories that came with it. Most of y'all probably don't care about that. But yeah, I'm very excited. Here's the remote. This is cool. You work it by putting it with a phone. You pair it with your phone. And everything is good to go. But man, the weight of all this feels very, very premium, which is a good thing. That's one of the things I've been wanting to do with Pyro Studios, is making sure that everything has a very premium feel to it. Our videos are going to feel premium. My business cards are the thickest cardstock that I could buy. They're glossy. We've got rounded corners, so they've got that premium feel to it and everything too. Everything just needs to ooze like money, because I'm going to be charging a lot of money for my services and that kind of a thing. So even though my YouTube videos are kind of run-of-the-mill and few and far in between and usually aren't the best quality, my cinematic work and professional work is, because that's where I choose to focus my attention. So with that said, thank you guys for tuning in. I'm El Director. This has been El Director Vision. And, oh, by the way, I'll probably be using this on some backpack trips and survival trips too. So this also, the drone benefits surviving the wild as well. So that's pretty exciting too. So thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Peace.